Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I've teamed up with KLAIYI hair and they sent your girl a Yaki straight pre-everything closure wig. Now this is one of my favorites and this is going to be the staple for the next few seasons, maybe forever. I feel like the Yaki straight definitely gives you a very natural, like silk press vibe, and then the fact that it's pre-everything and it's a closure means it's glueless, easy, quick, 10-minute beginner friendly install or less. So I did jazz it up and add the 2 braids up top. This is something that is very much like an oldie but goodie, a staple. I personally feel like it's not an age boundary, especially since I only did 2. I think it looks really good, and again it just adds a little flavor and a little bit of flair. So in this video you will get the install, you will get the little style at the very end. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay little bugs, I'm looking crazy and it is time to go to dance. It's Friday. Happy Friday for me. Probably won't be Friday when you see this. It's 3:03 in the afternoon. We usually leave about 3:15 for dance, so I'm already knowing I need to fire up at least the electric hot comb, 500 degrees, and flat iron, which is not plugged in. Both are going to be fired up while we get started. It's the fact that I always wait till the last minute to get ready, but the face is sitting. Went and got some new stuff from Sephora, and I also use the NYX. These two fire. I'm gonna do a reel on these, but fire. I think it's a good color match. I think we'll see what it looks like when we're out. But anyways, let's get to the video. So today I'm teaming up with KLAIYI. As you guys can see, my hair is pulled back and flowed back. They sent me this beautiful, I believe this is a Yaki straight. So they sent me this beautiful Yaki straight. It's nice and full and healthy, which makes me happy. And this is what like the lace looks like. The lace is given, and this is what makes me confident in being able to get my hair done in like 10 to 15 minutes looking crazy. And all is that the fact that, like, look at this pre-everything closure. You can't get any better than that. You have pre-plucked lace, and you can see how nice that lace looks, and then it's pre-bleached knots, and then the hairline or the excess lace is pre-cut, and it has that scallop cut for that perfect camouflage. And again, this is a closure, so you already know I'm gonna be able to throw this on and go like no other. And you can see here that the knots are bleached. Very beautiful. As far as the cap construction, this is the nape. We're gonna go ahead and pull those straps and adjust them, and this is the adjustable and removable elastic band, which we can also adjust really nicely. So let's adjust the straps and go ahead and put her on and get cute. Okay, also this wig cap looks crazy. I would go ahead and switch it out, but the fact that you won't be able to see it, look how crazy this is. Your girl's out here in the trenches. They gave me a wig cap. I just don't have time to switch it out. So let's just go ahead and put the wig on. Look at that. Perfect already, right? Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. But first, little comb through. I love, love, love a good Yaki straight wig. And this one is an HD glueless origin wig, and she is 20 inches in length. 20 inches is literally the perfect everyday, cute but not doing too much length. Here's a look at the hairline. As you guys can see, you can see that cap in there, and it is buckling a little bit. So I fear I'm going to have to go ahead and switch it out. Baby, I don't even know why that was so hard to say. Maybe I need to eat something, or maybe I've had too much coffee. Either way it goes, that should not have been that difficult. And this is a wig cap set that they provided. If you did not know, when you get your wig caps, there are 2 in the pack. Let's switch them out and then get to rolling. And I like to stretch mine. Little foundation powder. And if you don't have time to buff it into the entire cap, you want to make sure you cover the perimeter in that band, and then also like where you're gonna part. So 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a center part. This is not a 16, which would be better. This is a 15. I misplaced my 16, so I have to repurchase. Okay, so I don't know if you remember what the parting looked like a few seconds ago, but that definitely is much better. We are going to do a mousse install. I'm trying to figure out which mousse would be better. This one I'm not as versed with, and this one is from Kiss, and it's a foam mousse flex styling hold, intensely hydrating. This one I like, but I don't think I loved it with my curls as much. So I'm just going to get a thin layer along the hairline. Fire. And I don't know, I just feel like I get better results when I put the mousse under. So now we don't necessarily have time to do baby hair, but we want a little edges. So instead of using a comb or a brush, we kind of can just decipher what we can pull forward and get going. I'm just gonna trim this short. The length you choose is your business. Now we're gonna take that same mousse and just try to do some baby hair. I kind of like the way that's perfectly imperfect. So I'm gonna just take the KLAIYI melt belt and allow that to melt. And then I'm gonna use that same mousse on the party. That may or may not be too much, but we just want this to lay flat. And I'm gonna just take kids are home. Let me let this set and we'll come back and straighten the hair and we gotta go. Hairline looks like, and I like it when it's like soft and frayed but not too much. So from here I have the cream and the mineral powder from Movie Kisses, and I'm just gonna kind of paint until I get the desired look. I'm gonna take powder on the hairline. Okay, love bugs, we are done with the look. I kind of like the way the baby hair is. I feel like I can swoop it and like make it go in a specific direction, but I kind of like how it's just doing its own thing. I love the way I did everything. The mousse trick is amazing. Okay, love bugs, so it's been a long day. You guys see how fire this one is. I've been rocking it daily, but I want to switch it up a little bit. I love it when you switch up your wigs a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and add some cornrows. I've been trying to practice, so when I have a wig laid down, it's nice to go in and just practice. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some cornrows, one on this side and one on this side. If you don't know how to make cornrows, you can kind of just drive the hair up and do a little scrunchie right here, a little hair tie, and it kind of gives the same vibe, or you can twist it and do a little twisty. But we're gonna do cornrows, but I don't have any rubber bands here, so let me grab a few and we're gonna make this look real cute. And just like that, we were able to switch up the look. Look at these two cornrows. This has been my go-to like staple look. It gives a little bit of a style, and I feel like I finally have mastered the cornrows. I feel like the parting could be a little bit more perfect. I think next time I'm gonna like spread them wide. I don't quite know how to do that, so I'm not gonna claim to do it yet, but that's something that I want to try out, is to like when you make them really fat and puffy. I think that would be a super darling. But this looks super cute, and this is such a amazing flat wig that I feel like it goes so seamless. So this was just me throwing in a little tutorial. I told you guys I was gonna try to switch it up and add fun little tidbits, like tutorials, different little hairstyles that are maybe viral or just classic to these videos, to kind of give them a little bit of So let me know what you guys think of the two braids. Do you like it? Is it too juvenile? Me, I'm a rock it regardless. Who want a tussle? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the unboxing. This part was like a little add-in, so let's get back to and resume where we left off. We're about to head out. The kids are actually trying on their costumes. Hopefully everything that I bought from Party City today fits, because if it doesn't, we gotta pivot, we gotta go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging. For starters, we did get the dust bag, and the entire box was really nicely packaged inside of the dust bag. Then you open up the box, and inside was the package with the wig. We had the wig caps. We had the milk belt, which we already used. And then of course everything was in this mesh bag. And there was a pack of press-ons. And so the girls have a holiday gala for their dance company in the wintertime. I think this is the perfect. So I'm gonna hold on to these and leave them right in like their makeup bag, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a set, like I'm gonna do this as my set for the gala. And then of course they gave us this pack of alligator clips. So I love these. If you ever watch my videos, I'm always using these, and I have so many around the house, in every drawer, anywhere there's hair stuff, in the kitchen, in the little hair cart, there's these everywhere. So these are all from KLAIYI, and I love the fact that they switch up the colors. This time they sent me the blue and one black, and they all came in this reusable pouch, and I don't know if you can see that, but it does say KLAIYI on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go and head to dance. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link down below. Loving how it looks like a frontal, but it's a closure. Loving how amazing I was able to slay the hairline. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.